Hello and welcome. I'm your host, presenting for Steve Ford, one of Atlanta, Georgia's most trusted real estate investment companies. In this episode, we are going deep into the Atlanta real estate market with data, analysis, and the local expertise that comes from over a decade of active investment in this city. Whether you are already committed to Atlanta or evaluating it alongside other U.S. markets, this episode will give you a clear, grounded picture of what the Atlanta market offers investors in 2026. Atlanta is one of the fastest-growing metropolitan areas in the United States. The Atlanta MSA consistently adds 75,000 to 100,000 new residents per year, driven by domestic migration from higher-cost markets like New York, California, and Illinois, corporate relocations, and international migration. Population growth is the most fundamental driver of real estate demand. More residents need more housing, more businesses need more commercial space, more logistics networks need more industrial capacity. Atlanta's sustained population growth creates enduring demand across every real estate asset class, which is why it consistently ranks among the top investment markets nationally. Atlanta's economic base is one of its greatest investment advantages. Unlike cities dependent on a single industry, Atlanta's economy is diversified across technology, film and media, logistics, healthcare, finance, and education. This diversification creates meaningful protection against single-sector downturns. The corporate anchor tenants include some of the world's most recognized brands: Coca-Cola, Delta Airlines, Home Depot, UPS, NCR, Georgia Pacific, and Cox Enterprises. Technology companies are increasingly selecting Atlanta for major operations centers. Attracted by the engineering talent from Georgia Tech and a competitive cost environment relative to Silicon Valley or New York, Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, the world's busiest by passenger traffic, creates additional economic advantage, supporting Atlanta's position as the Southeast's premier logistics and distribution hub. For investors, Atlanta cap rates remain more attractive than comparable Sun Belt growth markets. Stabilized multifamily assets trade at cap rates of 5.0 to 6.5%, depending on submarket and asset quality. Rent growth has consistently outpaced national averages, driven by population growth and a structural housing supply deficit. For investors, Atlanta cap rates remain more attractive than comparable Sun Belt growth markets. Stabilized multifamily assets trade at cap rates of 5.0 to 6.5%, depending on submarket and asset quality. Industrial properties trade at 6.0 to 7.5% cap rates. NNN retail with credit tenants commands 6.0 to 7.0%. The practical implication: in Atlanta, the mathematics of real estate investment still work in the investor's favor. Achievable rents, reasonable purchase prices, and low vacancy create the conditions for meaningful cash-on-cash returns alongside long-term appreciation. Fulton County, including the city of Atlanta, Buckhead, Sandy Springs, and surrounding communities, is Steve Ford's primary investment market. It combines Atlanta's economic strength with excellent residential demand, high-quality tenant profiles, and strong long-term appreciation. Cobb County, home to Marietta, Smyrna, Mableton, and Kennesaw, is our second primary market. It offers strong affordability relative to Fulton, consistent rental demand, and appreciation. We are also monitoring DeKalb County, Gwinnett County, Cherokee County to the north, and Henry County to the south as emerging growth corridors, markets where earlier stage positioning can generate superior returns. And we are in active preparation for our Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas expansion, with initial submarket targeting focused on Fort Worth East Side, South Dallas, and the Mesquite-Garland corridor. The Texas market offers a compelling complement to our Georgia base. Legal disclaimer: the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, legal, investment, or tax advice. Real estate investment involves risk, including the potential loss of your invested capital. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Every investor's situation is different. We strongly encourage you to consult with a qualified U.S. real estate attorney, a certified public accountant, and your own financial advisor before making any investment decision. Please, before you invest in anything, anywhere, speak to a qualified attorney and accountant who understands your situation. We are here to educate and to partner with you, not to replace the professional advice you deserve. If this video was helpful, please like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for a new episode every week. Every episode in this series is free because we believe education is the foundation of great investment decisions. And when you are ready to have a direct conversation about your investment goals, visit us at stevefordent.com and schedule a free consultation with our team. We look forward to hearing from you. We will see you in the next episode.